speak in frozen place, same hesitation, same pace. Every pause, every breath sounded like something I said. You learned my words before I knew. Now they come back, rewritten, used. You wear my doubt like borrowed skin. I don't know where I am. If you speak for me, am I gone?